Imagine your body's immune system isn't just reacting to inflammation, it's being re-educated at the genetic level, learning to dial down its own overzealous inflammatory responses like a finely tuned instrument. This isn't about simply masking discomfort, this is about a profound cellular conversation. Your immune cells possess a powerful internal switch, and a specific compound found in nature knows exactly how to access it. Today, you're going to unlock the secrets of this remarkable natural ingredient and understand precisely how it guides your immune system to quell inflammatory signals, not just superficially, but from the very blueprint of your cells. You'll discover how a vibrant, earthy spice orchestrates a biological symphony, leading your body away from chronic inflammation and towards a state of remarkable balance. When you experience that persistent stiffness, that dull ache that settles into your joints after a long day, or that morning rigidity that makes every movement a conscious effort, you're feeling the culmination of complex biological processes at play. For a long time, we've approached these sensations as purely a problem of wear and tear, or an unavoidable sign of aging. But what if those physical sensations are merely the visible ripples of a much deeper, more intricate cellular conversation happening beneath the surface? What if you could influence that conversation? The discomfort you feel is often a signal of your immune system being stuck in an on position, constantly generating biochemical messengers that perpetuate inflammation. Think of it like a smoke detector that keeps blaring even after the toast has cleared. It's designed to protect you, but its persistence can become overwhelming. One particular compound, curcumin, derived from the root of the turmeric plant, has captivated scientists for decades, not just for its vibrant golden hue, but for its profound interactions within the human body. It's more than just a culinary delight, it's a master orchestrator of cellular communication. For centuries, traditional practices have woven turmeric into daily life, intuitively understanding its calming properties. Now, modern science is revealing the sophisticated ballet it performs at the microscopic level. A comprehensive review by Hewlings and Kalman in 2017 highlighted curcumin's diverse biological activities, emphasizing its capacity to modulate multiple cellular targets involved in inflammation. It isn't a single bullet solution. It's a multifaceted agent, capable of engaging with your biology in surprising ways. You see, joint discomfort isn't just a localized event, it's often a systemic signal. Your immune cells, in their earnest effort to protect you, can sometimes become overzealous, misinterpreting normal cellular wear or minor irritations as major threats. This triggers a cascade of inflammatory chemicals, like a zealous neighborhood watch leader calling in the SWAT team for a spilled garbage can. Curcumin appears to gently yet firmly offer a new set of instructions to these cells, helping them differentiate between a true emergency and a routine cleanup. It's like having a brilliant diplomat enter a heated argument, not to shut it down completely, but to de-escalate the tension and guide the parties towards a more measured, productive dialogue. This nuanced approach is why curcumin is so much more than a simple anti-inflammatory. It's a cellular re-educator, preparing the stage for truly profound changes in how your body handles irritation and recovery. How much of your current experience could be reshaped if your cells spoke a different language? Here's where the revelation truly ignites, where you'll see your own body and perhaps this humble root in a completely new light. The key to curcumin's extraordinary power lies not in merely blocking existing inflammatory signals, but in influencing the genetic instructions that create those signals in the first place. Your cells have a master control switch for inflammation, a critical protein complex known as NF-kappa B, nuclear factor kappa light chain enhancer of activated B cells. This isn't just a minor player. NF-kappa B is like the chief conductor of your body's inflammatory orchestra. When it's activated, it marches directly into the nucleus of your cells and binds to specific DNA sequences, turning on genes that produce a whole host of pro-inflammatory proteins, cytokines like TNF-alpha and interleukins, enzymes that create pain signals, and adhesion molecules that draw more immune cells to the scene. It's the ultimate escalation signal. Without NF-kappa B, the orchestra falls silent. Now, picture this. Before curcumin enters the picture, in a state of chronic irritation, This NF-kappa B conductor is constantly waving its baton, instructing your cellular musicians to play a relentless, cacophonous, inflammatory tune. It's an exhausting cycle where cells are perpetually told to produce more inflammatory chemicals, exacerbating stiffness and discomfort. But when curcumin arrives, it doesn't just mute the existing music, it disarms the conductor. Curcumin directly interferes with the activation of NF-kappa B. It prevents this master switch from migrating into the nucleus of your cells. It's like preventing the conductor from ever reaching the podium, effectively silencing the inflammatory orchestra before it even begins to play. This means fewer inflammatory genes are switched on, fewer pro-inflammatory proteins are produced. The entire cascade is intercepted at an incredibly fundamental level. Research documented by Agarwal and Shishodia in 2006 extensively detailed curcumin's ability to suppress NF-kappa B activation and thereby modulate the expression of numerous inflammation-related genes. It's not a temporary fix, it's a biological reprogramming. Think about it like this. Most conventional approaches to joint discomfort are like trying to put out individual fires after the arsonist has already set them. You might quell one, but more pop up because the underlying instruction to start fires is still active. Curcumin, by contrast, goes directly to the arsonist's planning room, interrupting the very command center. It doesn't just alleviate the symptoms, it actively rewrites the cellular script, teaching your body a new, more balanced response to potential irritations. This shift from reactive symptom management to proactive genetic modulation is profound. It changes everything you thought you knew about how natural compounds interact with your internal systems. You're not just supporting temporary relief, you're fostering a long-term, sustainable recalibration of your body's inflammatory set point. It's about empowering your cells to make healthier choices consistently. So, how can you practically integrate this knowledge and empower your body with this profound cellular intelligence? This isn't about guesswork, it's about strategic action. Firstly, understanding bioavailability is absolutely critical. While consuming turmeric in your food is wonderful for overall health, the concentration of curcuminoids, the active compounds, in raw turmeric is relatively low, typically around 3%. Furthermore, curcumin is not easily absorbed by your digestive system on its own. It's like trying to drink water from a sieve. To truly access its cellular re-educating power, you need a high-quality, bioavailable curcumin supplement. Look for formulations that explicitly state enhanced absorption. These often include technologies like phytosomes, liposomes, or micronized curcumin, which significantly increase the amount of curcumin that actually reaches your bloodstream and cells. Aim for a daily intake of 500 milligrams to 1,500 milligrams of a bioavailable form to genuinely influence your cellular pathways over time. Don't waste your effort on forms your body can't utilize. Secondly, and this is a classic pairing for a reason, always consider curcumin in combination with piperine. Piperine is the active compound found in black pepper, and it acts as a powerful bioenhancer. Why does this humble spice do so much? Piperine works by inhibiting certain enzymatic pathways in your liver and intestines that rapidly break down curcumin, allowing it to stay in your system longer and reach higher concentrations in your blood. It's like placing a temporary shield around the curcumin, giving it more time to perform its cellular re-education. A common and effective ratio is adding 5 to 10 milligrams of piperine for every 500 milligrams of curcumin. This synergistic partnership maximizes the impact of curcumin, ensuring that more of those powerful molecules reach their target destination, your cell's genetic machinery. Thirdly, focus on consistency and timing for long-term cellular dialogue. Curcumin is not a fast-acting pain reliever, it's a cellular modulator that works by gradually recalibrating genetic expression. This means daily, consistent intake is key to establishing and maintaining its beneficial effects. Think of it less as a sprint and more as a marathon. Taking your curcumin supplement with a meal, particularly one containing healthy fats, can also enhance its absorption, as curcumin is fat-soluble. Imagine a tiny cellular whisper that becomes a clear directive over time. That's the power of consistent nutrient intake. Over a period of 8 to 12 weeks, you can expect to feel a noticeable shift in joint comfort and flexibility as your immune cells steadily adopt their newly re-educated responses. This is about nurturing your body's intelligence, not forcing a quick fix. You are no longer a passive observer of your body's joint health. You are now equipped with knowledge that turns you into an active participant, an informed conductor of your own cellular orchestra. When you choose to integrate this natural wisdom, you're not just taking a supplement, you're engaging in a sophisticated conversation with your immune system, directing it away from overreaction and towards balanced harmony. You've uncovered a hidden operating manual for your body's natural defenses, realizing that true relief comes not from battling symptoms, but from empowering your cells to write a healthier story from within. This understanding fundamentally shifts how you perceive the power of natural compounds and the incredible intelligence inherent in your own biology. Your body isn't just reacting to the world, it's actively listening, and you now know how to speak its language. The journey into decoding your body's true capabilities has only just begun. Continue to explore the remarkable science of what nature actually does inside your body, from the vast orchestrations of metabolism to the subtle dances of detoxification. There are always more profound connections waiting to be revealed, more cellular conversations ready to be understood, more ways to see your own internal defenses in a whole new light.